Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Lisbon, Portugal. Actually, it's probably not Lisbon, it's Belém, Portugal, and I'm at the tower. This is the Belém Tower, and it's really amazing. It's on the sea, and it's just incredible. So let me turn this camera around and we'll go look. Here we go. Okay. So this is it. Let's go over here, and I'll take some pictures too. That sun's in a bad spot, but let me get over here. And I said it's on the sea. I think we would consider it the sea, but I think they still consider this a river or part of the river. Wow, look at that. Is that amazing? Wow. Wow. Look at that. That's amazing. And you can get on it. Wow. I think it'll look better from the other side because we'll get the light on the right side, but man, that's just wonderful. Wow, wow. Alright, let's go to the other side. Now I think you can go inside, but I think you got to buy tickets, and it looks like there's quite a line. You can see it's certainly the tourist attraction, and you can see this line right here all the way across over to there. A puddle here, and it's actually in the shade, and so I'm going to do a puddle picture. But let me get up here so that I can get the tower in the sunlight there. There we go. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, I'll be right back. Bye. Okay, so I took a mirror picture and it really came out amazing, especially with that sun hidden back there. Let me get up here and I'll do some on this side. It really is amazing. And this is the line. It is, it looks like they only let a few in at a time or something, but wow. Truly amazing. Wow. Look at that. Is that amazing? Wow. Yep. And it is crowded up here, so.
Ci ha messo 3 mesi dopo
Wow. Look at the little drawbridge over there too, that's cute. Anyway, okay everybody. That's it for Belém Tower. Thanks for coming with me to Portugal. Bye, everybody.